All right, week 2 of the Seb and Eek experiment is come to a close. Seb, do you want to share your jazz hands moment from our excellent conversation of the day?
Yeah, sure. My jazz hand moment was when you made that point about defining failure as success. So the idea is that if you're not failing often enough, then you're not pushing yourself hard enough. You're not trying. You're not really trying. So success should be, well, we seem to converge on this two-thirds number. So we should be successful maybe two-thirds of the time and failing one-third of the time when we're trying things. And we should be happy when we're actually failing one-third of the time, which kind of feels paradoxical, but somehow appropriate. And I'm trying to reframe my mental, my cognitive circuits to assimilate that. I'm gonna try to integrate that over the coming week. That was my jazz hands moment.
Excellent. So my jazz hands moment is related to the conversation we had about success and failure. And it came when I was asking a question of you, which I ask often, both of you, of others, and of myself, which is to just define success for a particular project. And what I realized in having this conversation with you was I shouldn't just be asking the success question. I should also be asking, what is failure to you? Because I think we often will, when we answer the question about success, we'll define something that in the moment might seem like it feels like success, but if it actually happened, we would actually feel like it's a failure. And so I think if you ask both questions, then you have a better chance of being really clear about what success actually is and what it's not. So that was actually a pretty big insight for me, and that's something I can start putting into practice immediately. Cool. See you next week.
Thanks. See you next week.